Hello, my name is Santiago. I'm from Bogota, Colombia, and this is Sudoku Solver, my final project for CS50X. Okay, just to start, as you can see, this is a very simple web page, which consists initially on the title of the project and some inputs. The inputs of this project must be an empty Sudoku of 9 times 9 square grid. So let's see some examples I have here. Let's, for example, select the 4 Sudoku, and let's wait until the server returns our output. Okay, so as you can see, it returns us the original image. As you can see, it's a little bit rotate and distort, but the goal of this project is not only a Sudoku solver, it is also about image manipulation and image detection. So as you can see next, it is the final output, the solved Sudoku, with all the empty boxes filled with the value. And at the end of the web page, you can see the process of how this was done. So first we process the image for a error detection, then we divide the image into all the squares, into all the boxes, all the 81 boxes, and for each 81 image we need to detect the numbers. If it is not find, if it doesn't find any number, the input, the value will be 0, and then we pass with that data structure, with that to the array, we apply an algorithm that's called backtracking, and then it is solved. Okay, and this was Sudoku Solver. As you can see, we can now search for a Sudoku on Google. Let's, for example, okay, let's see this one, download this one, upload that image. Let's wait a few seconds, and okay, it outputs the original image, the solved Sudoku, you can see, and the process. And this was Sudoku Solver. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.